Today in the grain market, soybeans were a little bit easier. Their bearish fundamentals are really setting in. There's a lack of the trade deal really leaves us to focus on rising bean stocks. It could reach actually 1 billion bushels. That absolutely just adds to the demise of the futures price right now. We just are not competitive anywhere, and it only promises to have an even bigger crop this year. So right now we're saddled with an awful lot. Corn also on the rise. The wet weather is bringing some buying support. Thank goodness for that, because the corn stocks are also pretty hefty. But even though the planting delayed should affect some of the crop numbers, the real issue is the snap short covering that would unleash a storm of buying if there's actual a market starts to rally. Now we are expecting some storms over, but is that enough to really this market? I mean, we've got lackluster interest right now, so it's hard to tell. The wheat also has firmed up. The bargain hunters finally stepped in. The cheap prices did spark some buying from some of the commercials. They just couldn't resist how low these prices are. But the sentiment is still bearish, and will put a lid on any significant rally unless something else comes up. Maybe more talk on some real answers to the trade deal, as well as maybe a possibility that we can kind of have a little bit of an uptick in our exports.